I am a young woman who weighs 55 kilograms now. To be perfectly frank, I'm extremely happy as I have lost 10 kilograms recently. At first, I tried various diets and sometimes cut my food rations almost completely, but all these undertakings ended up not yielding satisfactory results. Not only didn't I become slimmer, but I also gained weight. However, a change for good was marked with the decision to give a natural Garcinia Cambogia Actives a try. Even after a few initial weeks of using it, my appetite was significantly lowered. Thanks to the sad fact, I have managed to get fit and lose some excessive weight.